All right, ladies and gentlemen, here at the Albany Country Club with the Halo crew. There's the Halo crew. We got Halo crew over there. We get the smaller Halo crew over there. All you can see is the glow. And now more fireworks. Ooh. Oh, we had some wild action with car alarms just a little bit ago because people break into cars when you're sitting at the Country Club in Albany. But oh, here's another one. Oh, and here we go. Oh, that was one of the loudest ones tonight. I think I think I wet myself a little bit. Oh, oh, oh. That was beautiful. Wasn't that great? That's beautiful.